Hi student, today we will discuss LCM or with the help of division method. In last video, we have already seen that LCM means least common multiples, and we have already find out the LCM with the help of prime factorization method. But today we will discuss about the LCM with the help of division method. So for that we will take an example. First example is that 35, 55 and 95. 35, then 55 and 95. So this is the example of it. So this is the three number given here. Now we have to do the division of this number. So first of all, we will divide it by 5 because of one unit place there is a 5. There is also 5 and there is also 5. So we can divide it with 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Then this 55, 5 ones are 5, 5 elevens are 55. 5 elevens are 55. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 19s are 95. 5 19s are 95. Then we will divide it by any number from 7, 11, 9. We will take first 7. 7 ones are 7. But by this 7 we can't divide 11 exactly, 19 also exactly. So this 11 come here as it is. This 19 also come here as it is. Now 11 divided by 11. So 1 will come here. This 11 ones are 11 and 19 will as it is. After that this 19 can divide by only a 19. So 19, this 1 will come here as it is. This one is also, and 19 ones are 19. So now 1 is remainder. So 5, 7, 11 and 19. This is the factor of this 35, 55 and 95. So factor of 35, 55 and 95 is 5 into 7 into 11 into 90. So this is the factor of this, and 5 into 7 into 11 into 9 means the result is 7,315. 7,315. So this is the LCM of 35, 55 and 95. Again, I will repeat it. First of all, we take a number 35, 55 and 95. Then I have decided that this 35, 55 and 95 can divide by this 5. So 5 7 are 35, 5 11 are 55 and 5 90s are 95. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. This 11 and 90 will come as it is. Then 11 ones are 11, 19 will come here. Then 19 ones are 19 means all are divided by such numbers. So 5, 7, 11 and 19. 5, 7, 11 and 19 are the factors of 35, 55 and 95. So multiplication of this 5, 7, 11 and 19 is 7,350. So this is the way to find out the LCM of 35, 55 and 95. 35, 55 and 95. So this is the way to find out the LCM. We will take another example of it. That LCM can find out by division method. Other example is that 14, 35, 56 and 105. 14, then 35, then 56 and then 105. So this is the numbers, and we have to find out the LCM by division method. LCM by division method. So all these numbers can divide by 7. First we have to decide it that all these numbers comes in 7th table. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Then 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56. Then 7 1s are 7 and 7 15s are 105. Now 2, 5, 8 and 15. These are the numbers and we have to divide it by a number. Now we can divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2. Now 5 cannot divide by 2 exactly, that's why this 5 will come here as it is. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Then 15 cannot divide by 2 exactly, that's why this 15 will come here as it is. Now this 4 can divide by 2. This 1 will come here as it is. This 5 will also come here as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 15 will come here as it is. So this is the procedure of finding the LCM. Now again we can divide this 5 and 15 by 5. This 1 will come here as it is. This 5 1s are 5. Then 2 will come as it is. Then 5 3s are 15. So 1, 1, 2 and 3. The remainder now. Now this 2 can divide by this 2. Now 1 will as it is. Again 1 will as it is. Then 2 1s are 2 and 3 will come as it is. 3 will come as it is. After that this 3 is only one remainder and it have to divide only by 3. So 3, this 1 will come as it is. This 1 will as it is. This 1 will as it is. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. So now 7, 2, 2, 5, 2 and 3. This is the factor of this 14, 35, 56 and 105. So factor of 14, 35, then 56 and 105 is this 7 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into this 3. Now the multiplication of this number are 840. 840. So 7 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 3, the result will be 840. So this is the way to find out the LCM by division method. We will repeat it: 14, 35, 56 and 105. Now I have decided that this 7 35, 7 8 are 56 and 7 50 are 105. Now 2, 5, 8 and 15 are remainders. So these 2, 5, 8 and 15, but in all these numbers cannot divide by 2, but 2 and 8 can divide by these 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. But 5 will as it is and 15 will as it is. So remainders are 1, 5, 4 and 15. So this 4 can divide by this 2. So 2 2s are 4. But 5, 1 and 15 will come as it is or remainder as it is. Now this 5 and 15 can divide by this 5. So 1 will as it is 5, 1 are 5 and 5 3s are 15. So 2 will come as it is. So remainders are 1, 1, 2 and 3. Again this 2 can divide by this 2. That's why 2 1s are 2. 1 will as it is, 1 will as it is and 3 will as it is. Then 3 can divide by this 3. So 3 1s are 3. So remainders are 1, 1, 1, 1. So now 7, 2, 2, 5, 2 and 3. These are the factors of 14, 35, 56 and 105. So the multiplication of 7 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 3 are 840. So this is the LCM of 40, 35, 56 and 105. So this is the way to find out the LCM by division method. Student, I have discussed with you LCM with the help of division method. I hope that you have understood better. Thank you.